Sabi. Thank you for stopping back. So I am off to running a few errands. I am gonna be a little bit of all over, so I just figured that I should just take a camera and then allow you to come with me. So yeah, I am done getting ready, but then today I tried this thing of layering perfumes, and when I say I smell like a little bit of everything, like applied my perfume, but I don't know what I'm saying. Like, I guess I'm still gonna learn how to mix these perfume things to get that special scent I'm looking for. So yeah, either way, it's fine. Let's just get on to running.
I only miss you when the sun goes down. Oh, your voice is my favorite sound. Swaying like the palm trees. You and me were poetry, painting stories with our lips. Ay, 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 oh, you're like a wave washing over me, pulling me underneath, sinking slowly. You're like a wave washing over me, I'll stay underneath, drifting slowly. Drifting slowly, slowly. What's a king without a queen? You could be my everything. Can't you see? You're like a wave washing over me, pulling me underneath, sinking slowly. You're like a wave washing over me, I'll stay underneath.
Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. So I want to quickly show you things I got today. Pretty much kind of mixed. Oh, my hands are so dry. So I did get things from Perp, Skim, and Clicks. And yeah, most of the things are of skincare because like I'm so obsessed with skincare products. So yeah, most of them are pretty much skincare. A disclaimer: before you even start asking, you're gonna be seeing a lot of this gown this winter because this is the only warm gown I got, and gowns are so expensive. I think I was in Truett's today, and one gown was about 500 and something. Like, gowns are expensive at this time, like this time of the season. So you're going to be seeing it a lot because the rest I have are just not for winter. So I will start by what I got at Clicks. I only got two things actually at Clicks, and that was one thing that was once the talk of TikTok, and this is the vitamin C and zinc tablets. I did hear a lot of good like and good reviews about it. Besides the fact that it gets your belly dry, that is one of their reviews, not me saying that. So I did get these. They were how much was this? It was 80 rand. It's 100 tablets inside. Then I also got glycerin from Clicks. I want to mix it with my body lotion, body cream actually, because my body is super dry and I've tried using oils, like it's just not working. So I want to mix oil, glycerin, baby oil, like all the oils you can think of. I want to mix them with my body cream, so to try and make sure that my body doesn't crack and survives winter very well. So I am combination on my face. Some parts of my face are very much dry, but this part of my face it's very much oily. So yeah, these are the two things I got from Clicks. So now for this came, I got myself some faves. Firstly, it's the Dermapal sunscreen. It's been a while of not using it because I was using the Nivea one. That is also one of the sunscreen I love, and I think the other one I was using was Eucerin, if I'm not mistaken. So I am back to this one because I did see the Eucerin one, and it's so expensive. Like I think it was about 300 and something, and yeah, I opted for this one because it was 114.95. I then bought these Pond Serum Face Cream. I was actually looking for a vitamin C serum, which I didn't get on the affordable product. It was only one brand, and that was this brand where there is Natasha is the face of it. Yeah, that brand. It did have the vitamin C serum, but chow, it was so expensive. So I chose this one because it was 50 rand. Then who would forget these two? Like then these two lip therapies also from this came. Each is 17 rand. Then now coming to my fave package before this video gets too long. It's first thing first, which is the fave of the day is a scent candle. This is a coconut scented candle. There was a different kind of candles, but for some reason I love the smell of coconut. Don't know why, don't ask me why, but I'm so in love with this. I cannot wait to burn this candle. Like child. Like I can imagine myself doing my skincare, burning this candle, like child. I'm so gonna enjoy the moment of using it. Other things I got from Pep were two of these masks. Yeah, two of these masks. I wanna try them. They were very affordable. They were fresh. They were 20 rand each. Then I got these this thingy. I cannot remember the name. It was 30 rand for like when I'm doing my skincare, like to wrap it around my hair, provided I am wearing a wig. Then my old-time fave is the Magnolia tissue oil. The Magnolia tissue oil from Bramley. Got myself two face towels. Like the reason why I got them is that it was my first time literally seeing a black towel or even slap. Like first time ever. I don't know if it's me who doesn't search, but it was pretty much my first time seeing one, and I love black. I'm so in love with black. So this one was 14 rand and this one was 18 rand. Then I got myself these two facial sponge pack. They were yeah, there was 14 rand. And yeah, that is pretty much what I got today. But the fave of the day definitely has to be the candlelight. Ciao! I cannot wait to burn this candle. So this is pretty much what I got today. That was pretty much the whole for the day. So now I'm just gonna go on and cook. I bought fish, and it is gonna be my second time cooking a fish. But somebody did like kind of tell me or help me with what I did wrong before, and yeah, let's just go and do some cooking because your girl is hungry.